Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. So, student, yesterday we discussed about the relational database model. What is this? This is organized into tables, that is row and column. These tables are relationals, means row in a table represents relationship among the set of values. And since the table is collection of relationships, so while using the mathematical terms, the data model derives its name. So how to make a table? It is given here. Three example is given here, and here the table structure, the supply, sub number, sub name, status, city. These are the field name, and S1, S2, S3, Britannia, New Bakers. These are the datas. So here come to the components of table. Let us quickly have to look at various components of data. These are byte. Byte, that students, you are knowing about the byte. A byte is a group of 8 bits and is used to store a character. So how to store a character? With the help of this byte only we are storing the character in a system or in a memory device. Then data item. Data item is also known as field item. A data item is the smallest unit of name data. It may consist any number of bits or bytes. A data item represents one type of information and is often referred to as field or data element. So data should be the data item is smallest unit and it consists of any number or bits or byte data. Then a data item represents only one information and often referred to as a field name or data element. Then record. A record is a named collection of data items which represent a complete unit of information. Means record where we are entered the data. Then table. A table is named collection of all occurrence of a given type of logical records. Means different table name we are giving. These are the tables. Then explains all the above mentioned here. Field are the column containing one type of information. Means here salesman number, first name, surname, salesman, target is given here. This is all this known as the field. Then record. Record are the rows representing one complete unit of information, logically related information. Logical record contains contents of all the fields. Means these are which we had enter. These are known as the record. Record means EA01. Then first name Vinith, second name Aurora, third name 25,000, target 29,000. These are the records. Then table is of all the logical related records. Then here see here when primary key field has unique value of each row. Primary key is given here. So why we are giving a primary key? So every field we are not supposed to give a primary key, only one field, that we don't want to change the identification of that field or any unique number if we want to give. So it is known as a primary key. That column should be converted set as a primary key, that there the repeated value should not be taken by that column, and primary key should not be null value. Here it is given that first salesman number, it selected as a primary key. So if we entered here, it is given that WE21 Vandana Pahava 18,000 is given here. And again if we want to enter WE21 Vijay, so that WE-21 it will not repeat it print as a error on that column. In a table, each record is identified with a unique value. That is, in a field of table, there are unique values for all records. The unique value identifies the record. For instance, figure number this, which is we discussed here, components of table. The field salesman number has unique value for all the records. So salesman number is a primary key here. If you want to give only a unique value, unique identification to any means any column, so you have to select as primary key for that particular column. In a table, there there may be more than one field having unique values. In such a case, only one them declared as primary key. So the relational data model is based on a collection of tables. The user of the database system may query these tables, inserted new tuples. Tuples means record row, delete tuples, and modify tuples means about the row or record. There are several languages for expressing these operations. Two such languages are relational query language and relational algebra. So if you want to insert the data or if you want to enter the data, the two languages which is mentioned here, the relational uh, query language and relational algebra. Then examples of some relational database management system include Oracle database, Microsoft SQL server, MySQL, IBM Database 2, IBM Informix, SAP, Sybase Adaptive Server, Enterprise, then SAP Sybase, IQ, Teradata, PostgreSQL, SQLite. These are the different relational database management system. Out of this, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQL are the open source information. Open source information that you are knowing about this. Open source information means it is easy to handle and it is easy to modify, easy to update. If you want to delete something from that open source, then or if you want to implement something, so you are supposed to do this. So MySQL is a relational database DBMS that can run on virtually all platforms. MySQL is will run in all platforms including Linux, Unix, and Windows. Then popular of web page application and online publishing, MySQL is part of open source enterprise stack. Stack means LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So here MySQL is a virtually platform that runs in any operating system. Then SQLite. SQLite is a relational database management system. SQLite is not a client server database engine. Rather than it is embedded into the end program. It is arguably the most widely deployed database engine and as it is used today by several uh, widespread browsers, operating system, and embedded systems such as mobile phones, among others. So it is a relational database management system, and it is not a client server database engine. Then PostgreSQL is a general purpose and object relational database management system, the most advanced open source database system here. This is the most advanced open source database, PostgreSQL, and it is free and open source software. It also its source code is also available under the license as a liberal open source license. Then common database management tools for mobile device include SQL Anywhere, then Database 2 Everywhere, IBM Mobile Database, SQL Server Compact, SQL Server Compact, SQL Server Express. These are the uh, database names, and out of this SQLite is a public domain open source implementation. There are some other database model named network data model, hierarchical data model, and hierarchical data model and object oriented data model, but covering this here beyond the scope of the book. These are the different data models here. So first, the relational model terminology. The relational model was proposed by E.F. Cott of the IBM and has since been acknowledged as a very important concept of DBMS. Earlier classes we had learned about the E.F. Cott, and then it explored this model in details. Different terms used in relational models are being discussed here. What are the different terms? Relational. Relation in general, a relation is a table that is data arranged in row and column. A relation has the following properties. A relation is a table means which we had entered the data in row and column. It is given here and some properties also we are discussing. In any given column of a table, all items are of the same kind, whereas items in different columns may not be of the same kind. Then second one for row, Each column must have an atomic or invisible value, and also for a row, a column cannot have more than one value. It is mentioned here while entering the data. Then all rows of a relation are distinct. That is, a relation does not contain two rows which are identical in every column. That is, each row of the relation can be uniquely identified by its contents. So this you have to see first and then enter that. There is no order maintained for rows inside a relation. That is, we cannot retrieve anything by saying from row 5 column name to be accessed here. So only if you are giving the row number, so it not be retrieve the data from that, you have to give the column name also which be accessed. Then the column of a relation are assigned distinct name, and ordering of this column is immaterial. Here come to the then domain. A domain is a pool of values from which the actual value appearing in a given column are drawn. For example, if that table SUPP number is given, column of both the supplier table and the shipments table are drawn from the underlying domain are of valid supplier numbers. Means both the domain name should be the same. Here it is given here. Domain name should be same, means here the domain name should be matched. A domain name is said to be atomic if elements of domain are considered to be invisible unit. For example, a set of integer atomic domain, but the set of integer are non-atomic domain here. Supplier domain name is mentioned here. See the supplier number column are drawing their values, and supplier number it is given here. Both the values should be seen here. But in the sample database, observe that relations suppliers and shipment have common domain name, and so do items and shipments here. So that the table shipment is supplier S1 is supplying 10 units of item 12, and from their suppliers can be said to be Delhi based suppliers. Here it is given mention. So that is how the association between row and column, between row this can be represented. Means the row of S1 and S1 of first table and S1 of second table, it is represented here. Then come to the tuple. The tuple will discuss in the next class, and this again I will explain you in the next class about this the relational model terminology. Thank you.